for it actually. I'll change my skin just for you, Matthew.
Yeah, I'm gonna change skin.
Go with lobby so.
Boys.
That's fixed, yeah.
Pot.
Yeah.
Move on.
Yeah.
Move on.
You know you invited my gassy boy.
Simon, did you give up the grease?
Yeah.
Ugana?
Yeah.
How the fuck's that Ugana?
She's a fairy. Skins I could go.
We started, we can't stop now.
Christ almighty.
Jesus Christ! What are you drinking, man? He's getting knocked.
Fucking hell.
Yeah, he's a big vulture, but is it?
Alright, where are we dropping?
Oh, you love her. What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Think of it this way, like, if you were in the park and you saw someone sitting on the bench for a chocolate bar, you'd assume that they bought the chocolate bar, yeah? So, like, that was his analogy for what we were talking about.
All is nice.
You do be spitting cunt.
Jesus Christ, son.
The equation.
Oh yeah, I'll try this one.
No.
There's people in
There's
there.
someone in there.
Hop in UFO, Gary, boy. Kick the reboots, hop in UFO.
It's just fucking.
What did you drink?
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
We have the same. Fucking
We won't
hell.
have.
Do you want me to clip it out?
Just wanna tell you how I'm feeling.
I
Make you understand. Never gonna give you up.
Clip